Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker and the COWSAR Ice Maker Countertop. If you're in the market for a portable ice maker that can keep up with your entertaining needs, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker is priced at just $69, making it an excellent budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable ice maker. In contrast, the COWSAR Ice Maker comes in at $109.99, which is a significant investment. While the COWSAR offers additional features, the price difference is something to consider for budget-conscious buyers. Next, let's look at ice production. The Smug model produces 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it one of the fastest options available. On the other hand, the COWSAR produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. While both machines can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, the Smug has a slight edge in speed, which can be crucial during gatherings. Finally, let's discuss portability. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker weighs 15.4 pounds, which is heavier compared to the COWSAR's 11.75 pounds. This makes the COWSAR a more portable option, especially for those who plan to use it for camping or outdoor events. Both models feature a handle for easy transport, but if weight is a concern, the COWSAR is the better choice. In conclusion, both the Smug and COWSAR ice makers have their strengths. The Smug is perfect for those seeking speed and value, while the COWSAR excels in portability and quiet operation. Depending on your priorities, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.